In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Todoist, a full 2025 guide. To start, you'll want to open Todoist. Whether you're using the web app, desktop app, or mobile app, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. Once you're in, make sure you have the project sidebar visible, as this is where all your lists are located. Next, you'll need to locate the specific project you want to delete. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar among your list of projects. It might be something like weekly plan, client tasks, or personal goals. Go ahead and click on the project to open it. This ensures you're deleting the right one. Now that you've opened the project, it's time to access the project options menu. If you're on the web or desktop version, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the project view. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Project Actions, and then Delete Project. If you're using the mobile app on iOS or Android, open the project first and then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From there, choose Edit Project, scroll down, and then tap Delete Project. Once you've done that, Todoist will ask you to confirm your decision with a pop-up message. Are you sure you want to delete this project? This action cannot be undone. You'll need to click or tap Delete to confirm. Keep in mind, once confirmed, the project along with all its tasks, comments, and files will be permanently removed. Before you proceed, there are a few important notes to keep in mind. First, deleted projects cannot be recovered, so it's crucial to double check that you're okay with losing this data. Also, if the project is shared, it will be deleted for all collaborators. Instead of deleting, you might want to consider archiving if you want to keep the data for future reference. If you decide that archiving is a better option for you, here's how you can do it instead. Open the project, click on the menu with the three dots, and select Archive Project. This will move the project to your Archive Projects section, where it can be restored at any time. Archiving is perfect for projects that are completed, paused, or might come in handy later. Finally, after you've deleted or archived the project, take a moment to clean up your sidebar. The project should no longer appear there. If it's still visible, try refreshing Todoist or restarting the app to update your view. And there you have it. That's how you delete or archive a project on Todoist. Hopefully, this guide has provided you with the clarity and understanding you need to manage your projects efficiently. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!